How to make your account private on Tellonym. Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your account private on Tellonym application. So, let's open up our Tellonym. Now I want to go to your profile, which is the first button from the right in the bottom section of the screen. Now I want you to tap a settings button or gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down all the way and in Others section, click on More. And now in the middle of the screen, there's Privacy section. So if you want to make your account more private, you just turn off one by one all of the options. So the people cannot find you by phone or by location, or they will not see your active status. So that's it. One more thing you can do? No, sorry. Basically, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find it helpful, and if you do find it helpful, as always, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.